What's up, guys? Today we are doing some retro gaming. We're trying to see if this old laptop can still run some games. So let's try zoom in here. So the CPU, I got an Intel Mobile Core 2 Duo T7500, codename Merom. Socket is 478. Core speed is 1199.51 megahertz. That's different to the description on the laptop. Okay, so this laptop is the ASUS X50 SR series, and the CPU says Duo TF900. Sorry, T5900, and this says T7500. Okay, looks better. Core speed ain't that great. Okay, the main board, Pegatron Corporation, just some generic board. The RAM is DDR2, 3 gigabytes. That's kind of odd. Okay, the graphics card is the ATI Mobility. I don't know. I grew up saying Radeon, but Radeon HD 3400 series. So this is the 3470, and it's got 512 megabytes of RAM as well. Alright, so there are the specs. So I'm going to be doing retro gaming, so just using emulators and seeing what works and doesn't work. And I'm running Windows 7 at the moment and running DirectX 11. That's the highest I can go with this PC. Alright, let's start off with let's start off safe. Super Nintendo. There we have Super Mario Kart. Hang on a second. One player. Set keys. So up, down, left, right, start, select, A, B, X, Y, L, R. Should be done. Escape, we're back in the game. There we go. So just do a time trial. Let's choose Toad. Let's just do the Mario circuit. Oh, I forgot how to do the boost. Is it on the last light? No, I guess not. Oh. Should we use the analog? Yes, analog works. Oh, too early. Sliding all over the place. Okay, at least that works. I want to see how it plays in Grand Prix mode. Let's go 100. Be Yoshi this time. Yeah, let's go Mushroom Cup Race. Is it on the second one maybe? No. Oh. Ah, crap. Come on, just need to reach first place at least. Ah, crap. I'm having trouble with Donkey Kong. Get past Koopa Troopa. Oh, we're fighting for it. Green gel. Whoa. Green gel just went straight past me. Last lap. I think I can do this. Holy crap. Oh crap. Got this. Nice, that works. Very nice. And it works in full screen mode. I try not to play these games in full screen mode because it usually crashes. Let's try the Game Gear. Game Gear system stopped working. Ooh, I'll close that. Hang on. There we go. Let's make this bigger. Yeah, controller set. Turn off analog. Oh, nice. I haven't played this in so long. Ah, crap. Whoa. Forgot how fast this game is. Some of the soundtracks are just classic. Coin. Oh no, rings. Mario had coins, Sonic has rings. Sonic has pass. Yeah, that works. Just small screen that. Let's try PlayStation 1. Yeah, I think there was issues with this. Hang on a sec. Let me run this as the administrator. Yes. Fast boot, I think. No. Yeah, it just crashes with no error message. PlayStation 2. Nice. It's running at 51. No habla español. That is weird. Let's see how fast this actually plays. So I wasn't able to get Windows 10 installed in this laptop. Hey, the controller's configured. Yeah, controller's already. Oh no. No, it's not configured. Config, controllers, plugin, pad 1, quick setup. Select L3, R3, start, up, right, down, left, L2, R2, L1, R1, triangle, circle, cross, square, left stick up, left stick right, left stick down, left stick left, right stick up, right, down, left, and that's all I need. Hopefully I don't have to restart this. Ah, here we go. Wow, I'm surprised by this. It's running pretty well. Who were the last World Cup winners? Argentina. Where are Argentina? We will be against France. Where's France? Whoa, they're actually quite evenly matched in this. Yeah, let's play. Evra, Pogba. I remember this lineup. Oh, Messi's in this one. Di Maria. Yeah. So these are just the default settings, and I'm getting 40 to 50 frames per second. Oh my god. Oh, there's a bit of lag there. It's not too bad. I don't know if I do full screen if this will work. Hey, how come Argentina dressed in yellow? I've never seen that yellow jersey. Oh, Messi took a shot. I didn't even know it was Messi. Hang on a second. Let me try to put this in full screen. It's not bad. I just noticed there's a glare from that light. Apologies about that. Ah, crap. Ooh. There's definitely lag in the audio. Come on. I thought that was a goal. I have no idea what the commentators are saying. Oh, I'm gonna slide into him. Going to give me a yellow card. Evra. Oh, Messi got yellow. That was Messi. Oh. That was a dirty tackle, to be honest. What the hell is overshooting? Oh, it's dropping. I saw it drop to 30 FPS. Go Lazio. Yes. Oh crap. I just pressed escape. Escape? Turn it off. Oh well, at least PS2 works. That means this dock station PS1 should work. So something to do with DirectX, I'd say. Oh, not this stupid error. Yeah, I'm not sure what's up with this error. I tried doing the .NET FX framework and a few Windows updates, but didn't seem to work. So no Dolphin, so no GameCube, no Wii. Oh, same with Yuzu as well. Okay, so out of this we can get Super Nintendo, Sega Mega Drive, and PS2. So they're my main tests for this laptop. It still runs well. I tried some Steam games earlier. If you checked my videos earlier, I got The Wolf Among Us to work on very low res, and also Arkham City Batman game. I think it's the first Batman game. I got that one to work. Yeah, so this still works. I guess you can use old laptops to do some retro gaming. All you need is a controller. This controller is okay. This is a knockoff PS2. is okay. But if you can get an original one and just use that, that would be probably the best option. Alright, that's it for this video. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section down below. If you have any suggestions for whatever games or emulators to run, let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.